Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back. We are on day 3 for sneak peeks for our release for June. We have a brand new box of the month coming, and we have a brand new junior box of the month. So you'll be able to subscribe either to the box of the month or the junior box. The junior box will only have 1 paper pad, 1 ephemera pack, 2 stamp sets versus the 2 paper pads and 2 ephemera packs and 3 stamp sets. So you can get the I Want It All box of the month or the junior box of the month. So on day 1, I revealed the paper pads that will be in both of the boxes. So this collection here, Farm Life, will only be available in the larger box of the month. So this is a really cute collection here. It's called Farm Life, and it is just precious. So you're going to get, when you sign up for either subscription, it's going to be an 18% discount for subscribers. So you can subscribe by using the drop-down menu. It'll ask you for your frequency. You're going to choose monthly, and then you'll see the 18% discount in your shopping cart. So subscribers are going to get the 18% off. So I've made it even for all of the subscriptions. So if you join any of our subscriptions, it'll be 18% off. You don't get the discount if you're not a subscriber, but you do get a small discount for grabbing the whole collection as a bundle. So this one, it starts off with this really pretty soft cloud background. So that'd make a lovely background for any of your scenes that you're creating on your cards. So this next page here is a really pretty wood panel. I could see us using this for like floors. Say you were creating a scene on your card and you wanted some hardwood floors, this would be perfect. Or how about create like some doors or some shiplap on a wall or something like that. So you can get really creative with that. Here's another great page. We could create a little background scene. Add your images in front of this. A nice green solid. A gray weathered wood panel. I think this print is really pretty. They're dainty little roses on top of a pink gingham background. And then we've got a pink gingham. This one's like a sky blue solid. There's those clouds. So we are repeating designs here. So really nice paper pad. I think it's very versatile. And then this coordinating ephemera is really cute. So we'll create a card today with both of these items. So stick around. I just want to show you the cute little images in this pack. So there's a cute sheep. Here's a little cute scene. The sign says, "Hey there." This would be perfect for a little birthday party. Here's a little bush, a cute chick. There's another sheep. We've got some grass. Beautiful roses. Another chick. There's a horse. There's some party hats, so you can make some cute little birthday cards. You can arrange these on your card. These little octagons you can arrange on your card. Here's a little basket of vegetables. So more party hats, some eggs. There's the chicken. Another floral. There's another one with that cute scene, the birthday scene. A cute cow. A windmill with a scarecrow. Some cute pigs. Here's another windmill, another cow. Another grass. A pink tractor. How cute is that? A milk jug, a watering can. There's another horse. Another cute little barn scene. a rose, more chicks. Here's another bush and some couple more eggs. So really super cute. These little octagons here would be really cute as a baby card. Look at that. You can just arrange them and make a little design on your card. How cute is that? So super, super cute. I am going to create something. You know what? I do need a baby card. A first birthday card. So I might just make a birthday card with the little hats. Let's see. Who else can I put the hat on? The horse and the pig. And it's for a boy, so I want to use the blue. And this is cute too with the balloons. So I might do this in the background and have one of these come forward. Let's see, maybe the one with the pig. Okay, let's think about it. And I am going to pick out the papers I want to use. See, that's really, really cute. See, that could be my background. That cute? I think I'll do that. It's got the clouds and the grass. Let's see, I could use the back side and use the cow. In the front, maybe? Let me think. I think the cow's too big for that idea, but let's see, the horse would work. Okay, so let me cut down my panel and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I cut it out with a mini slimline die by Cat Scrappiness, and I'm gonna put it on this green cardstock. So I thought that matches good enough. I didn't want it to be pink, and I didn't have a blue that really matched. So I thought green. So doesn't that look pretty? So let's add the glue. So I found a blue barn with a blue tractor in here. So I'm going to use that since it's for a boy card. I think I'm going to use the blue. I am going to take a sentiment from one of the stamp sets that are in the boxes and use that. It says happy birthday from the whole herd. So you're getting a little peek of probably tomorrow's reveal. So I think I'm going to stamp that right there. And there is no issues stamping onto our paper. If you wanted to stamp a sentiment right on the paper, I'm always doing that. And I'm using the VersaFine Clear in Nocturne. Okay, that looks great. Now I'm going to take my scissors and cut off the white edge at the bottom because I want the grass to kind of continue onto that scene. So I'm just going to snip off the white border just at the bottom. And if I wanted to do that for the hat as well, I could do that. Just snip off the white border. That way there's no white line underneath the hat. You might like that, look better. Easy enough to do. So let's put those right on our panel. So see how that kind of looks like it continues there. We'll have this guy popping out like he's in front of this whole scene. We'll have him on pop dots. So I'm going to glue this straight down onto our card here. And you know what? I'm going to take some of the white border off the edges right here at the bottom. I think this is going to finish off the look here. So I'm just going to round this off right where this chick is. Okay, and then we're just going to glue that down. Don't be afraid to alter your ephemera. You can color over it. You can change the skin tone with your Copics. The ink does not smear. You can add glitter. You can cut the border off. And he will be in the front. I think I want to pop up the little hat and the horse. All right, so I'm going to pop him up right here in the corner. And his hat is double popped up. And I'm going to put that on a little angle. Okay, so I decided I did not want his hat double popped up. I like it flat on his head, so I fixed that. I'm going to add a little bit of this glitter brush to the cheeks. Oh, this one's not even working. It's not opened yet, so let's get out the glitter brush that is opened. All right, let's go ahead and add some glitter, just a little bit of glitter for some added details. And then I'm going to add some enamel dots. I'm going to take some baby blue enamel dots. Three little dots will do it. I'm going to finish the inside with a white panel, and then we can add another image. I found a scrap piece of paper, so I just cut it out. The color is light enough for me to write a message on the inside. Then I can find a little image to put on the inside. Maybe I'll just do a little chicken. Maybe a chicken and an egg. Alright, so now my inside is cute. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add a little strip, since I have this left over. I'm going to make a little flag coming down using the cow pattern. Even though there's no cow on my card, but we know there's a cow there somewhere. He's in the barn. That actually would have been cute on the front of the card as well. But we're going to put that right here. And that balances everything out. So cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this card, and I will see you back tomorrow for another reveal at 1 p.m. Central Time. Take care, guys. Ooh, I forgot. I wanted to add some glitter to his hat. Let's see if I have anything left in this little bottle here. Just wanted to add a little poof here. And that's going to look really cute when it's dried.